Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. The lighting's really bad at the moment, but I don't care. So as you can tell by the title today, I'm going to be telling you guys how I dyed my hair blue. I always love blue hair, like honestly blue hair is my thing. And my old blue wig was getting really crusty, so I thought I would try a new blue out. And here we are. How do you like it? Oh my god, right? I haven't actually cut the back bit out yet, so if you see it, I'm sorry. Anyway, this wig is from Arabella Hair, and I'm going to leave all of the information on the screen or down in the description box, and this is a sponsored video, by the way. This is their 613 lace front unit, and I got it in 18 inches, so this is how long it looks, guys. I just feel like you can't go wrong with blue hair. So I do have some clips of me dyeing the wig, and I did start to dye it like pink at the start, and I was like, no, I want blue. There is like a little bit of patchiness in it. I don't know if you can see though. So I ordered these Makeup Revolution hair dyes. I did not read the description box. I thought that they were hair dyes, and I was like, oh my god, yes, this is the perfect size for hair dye, because I always water dye my wig. So they have these like really small bottles, right? And I'm like, wow, that is amazing. These are basically hair dyes, conditioners, and shampoo. Like, how can you have shampoo and conditioner in one? So I'll quickly tell you guys how I dyed this unit, and then we'll get into what I thought of the product and whether it's worked well. The way that I dyed my hair was I basically just put a bunch of it in the water, and I let it soak there for a couple of minutes, and I only kept it in the water for about 5 or 10 minutes. A lot of the colours honestly did not show up that well, and I can understand, like, if you are using it as a shampoo or conditioner, it's a very good product because it's going to keep the colour in your hair, but like, they weren't working. I think the pink one works pretty well, but I used like the coral one. That one didn't work that well. The lilac one turned my hair like a really weird colour as well. But as you can tell, the blue one worked very, very, very well. Like, this is extraordinarily well. And can I just point out that this is meant to last 3 washes or 3 days or whatever it is, and this is definitely not coming out anytime soon. Definitely not. Like, do you really think that my hair is going to go back to blonde? It's not. Maybe it just means like it will stay this vibrant for that long, but we will see, you know, in a couple of weeks when I've washed my wig 3 times. Because that won't be anytime soon, sis. Like, I wash my wigs like literally. We won't even get into that because it's disgusting. And I'm going to be curling it today with my Babyliss hair colours. I've had these for ages. People always ask what they are. They're Babyliss, and they look like this. I've had them since I was like 14. I'm using my Got To Be Glued hairspray. So when I curl my hair, I try to do it as close to the root as possible, and I also do my curls in different directions. I usually do like a base coat of curls, so I quickly just go over the whole of my head, and then later on I'll add in smaller curls just to make it look more natural, even though this is obviously not my natural hair. I honestly really love this colour. Like, I was actually going for more of a baby blue like my last wig, but I'm not mad at it. Like, I actually do really like this colour, so I'm just going to go through the positives of the hair first, because I do have a negative to this wig. The knots on this unit are so good, guys. Like, I'm not even exaggerating here. The knots on this unit are really good. Most cheap units that I've tried anyway, like, if you have any other really good cheap units that you can recommend me, then let me know. But most cheap units, the knots are so fat. You can see them from a mile away. Literally, they look so bad. And this wig's knots are tiny. Like, when I say tiny, I mean they're like RPG show knots on the wigs. I haven't done anything to the unit except for dye it and put it on my head. So I'd say that the knots and the hairline are very good. You don't have to do anything to them. I probably will pluck the hairline at some point, but it's not like you really need to. especially with it being a blonde unit. Unless you're gonna have it like up, then I don't really think you need to do much to it. The hair is super soft, however it sheds. It does shed quite a bit, and I know that it's not the dye because the dye isn't harmful to your hair, but I don't actually use the combs on this wig just because it stays in place exceptionally well. There's two combs at the front, but they're not right at the front where the lace is, it's behind the lace. They also put an elastic band on it, and that's why it fits so well. I'm gonna do another video on this wig so that I can update you on it. I don't know when I'll do that though. You'll find out, I guess. Obviously I've got to have the wig first before doing like a proper review. This is why I find like reviewing hair companies so hard in one video, because it doesn't matter what the wig's like now, I need to know what it's like in a week's time, you know? So watch out for that video if you are interested in this wig, and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, so I'm finally on my last section. You guys, the amount of times I have burnt myself with these curlers, I'm surprised I'm not a freaking roast dinner, baby. But yeah, so right now is what I meant by I start with a base coat of curls and then I add smaller curls in just to make it look a little bit more natural, a little bit more bouncy. And if you do see any green patches, it's because I burnt the freaking hair. Anyway guys, this is the finished hair. As you can see, it's huge. I have finger combed it as well. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one, guys.